How to create QR code in Canva. Need a QR code for your poster, business card, or social media? Let's create one in Canva. So first open Canva and then start a new design. So click on this create button at the top left and then go ahead and search for QR code. Go ahead and search for QR code and then go ahead and select your format in here. And then from here, go ahead and click on apps at the left side of your screen and then search for QR code using the search bar. And then you should find all of the apps you can use to generate QR codes on Canva. Click on that specific app you want to use. And then from here, you need to create from a pattern. So for example, I want the pattern to be round squares. I'll simply select this. And then you just need to enter the URL of your QR code into the section, add the name if you want to, and then select the pattern along with the corners and the logo. So for example, I want to create a QR code for this specific link. I'll simply copy this, head back to the canvas I have, paste it in here, click on save, and then a QR code would then be generated for me. And that is how you can easily create QR code in Canva.